My name is Brittany Bailey. I'm the director at North Bay Restaurant Services. And North Bay Restaurant Services is a company based in the Bay Area that provides comprehensive commercial kitchen maintenance services from hood cleaning, grease trap and interceptor pumping, hydro jetting, used cooking oil recycling, appliance cleaning, and floor cleaning. Customers should choose North Bay Restaurant Services because we truly care about our customers. We aim to provide a Michelin-level customer service that is very rare in our industry. And we do things differently in a number of ways. Primarily, the scope of work that we provide to our customers is different than what they may be used to before.
We have 5 crews that work around the clock 24 hours of the day. So if your restaurant's open in the later hours, we can come in the earlier hours. If your restaurant's open in the earlier hours, we can come in the later hours, working around your schedule and what works best for you. With our trucks, our founder has custom built every single truck in our fleet for the hood department. We have a full 300-gallon water tank to pump up the reclaim after we're done pressure washing your hood system. Also in the back of our hood trucks, we have high pressure diesel power pressure washers that get up to about 200 degrees to get that grease and grime out of your hood system.
Our company was founded in 1996 in Santa Rosa in the Bay Area, and since that time we have grown to expand to cover the entire Bay Area. Our company started out with hood cleaning, and from there we realized a need for our customers to also have grease trap pumping services. And we are able to clean the hoods, pump the grease traps, and then we also realized the need for used cooking oil recycling. So we've combined the 3 as well as a number of other services to help our customers stay compliant, clean, and safe. And we recently are excited to announce that we have added a second location in Oakland. So we are more able to service that part of the Bay Area with quicker response times, faster dispatch, and much better prices. It is critically important to have your entire hood system cleaned. That includes the canopy that's visible from inside the kitchen. It includes the horizontal ducting that might work its way around, and the vertical flue that leads up to the fan on the roof. Many people don't know this, but the majority of the fire risk lies in that horizontal ducting and the vertical flue, which can literally pull the fire through your kitchen, wreaking havoc. So it's incredibly important to have a thorough cleaning job where the cleaning is going from top to bottom, and our company provides that. We've come into many restaurants, unfortunately, where the fan has maybe never been cleaned or hasn't been cleaned in years, never touched. And not only is this a huge risk to your staff and your customers and your business, but it's also dangerous because it can affect the motor and it can lead to very costly repairs where you're having to have the entire hood system replaced. Since 1996, North Bay Restaurant Services has been serving restaurants from small downtown bustling cafes to high-end Michelin star luxury resorts in Napa Valley, serving thousands of restaurants since 1996.